Okay guys, so I'm here with my brother's car and yeah, he's getting really bad miles per gallon. He's getting down to like 30 or 35 miles per gallon, where he should be up around the 50 to 55. So we're going to have a look at it and see what we can do. So we changed the oil filter, air filter and fuel filter and the engine oil during the last fuel tank. So he's done a full tank and he's still now only getting a little bit better. He's also changed the thermostat because there was no heating inside the cab, which kind of made an improvement of, I think he got like another like 2 or 3 miles per gallon, which is equal to about €6 of extra fuel economy. So we're gonna have another look now and see if we can figure out why is it getting such bad MPG. Okay, we finally got the manifold off. Have a look inside, and yeah, it's fairly caked on. So we have been cleaning a little bit of it so far, trying to make sure that each cylinder is in top dead center, and then pulling out a bit of gunk. So I just said I'd show a video before I do too much, but that's a savage amount of dirt in it. Okay, let's have a look inside. Okay, so we're cleaning out the manifold. That's how much muck has already come out of it. And again, these aren't any better. You can see just how much dirt is in there.
Take off this plate and clean it inside of that.
Yeah. So that's a savage amount of dirt after coming out. That's probably why we're getting so much bad miles per gallon. Like 35, 30. Show the light in there. That's so much muck.
Oh, I actually got a lump off there.
Yeah?
Yeah, like as in...
Make it rain!
Alright, I'm gonna take these plates off and clean them properly.
Yeah. That's a savage amount though, like. It's like sand. Or biscuit.
Well, someone you could say, is like, unless it's actually dropping, it's probably not doing any harm if it's stuck to it.
That's true, but like, if your total air intake is, you know, you're basically choking the air intake into the engine. Yeah, sure, if you had the plates off.
That's the lump I got. I thought it was a profile of the manifold, but I was just like, no,
That's all carbon and oil.
And you think you can heat this up? And how it'll help?
We'll figure out some way of getting it out. Yeah. Oops. It's on fire now. Okay, so rather smartly we went outside. So that's now the bottom on fire. And so often so every so often we just turn it around. So we're trying to burn the oil out of the bottom and then out the top. Is it out? No, it's not gone out.
Oh, it's
and you can actually,
dropping out of it.
Yeah, you can actually see the oil and everything. So we can't warp the head because we're not getting the temperature high enough. And the only thing that should be in this is aluminium. There shouldn't be any oil anyway, so we're just burning the oil off. This is a much better idea, wait until dark to do this.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Is that a lump of oil on fire?
Yeah. So when that flame goes out, that means that all the oil is burnt out of it. So there won't be any oil left. So we just have to keep turning it every so often, just to make sure that the oil at the top and at the bottom just gets all burnt off. It's easier than scraping it. Are you happy I set fire to your car?
Always.
Always. That's exactly it. What you do now is the same thing to your end block.
Yeah, you've an Audi too, don't you?
Okay, so we got the air gun out. So what could possibly go wrong? That's class. Okay, well, we didn't fall out with each other and we have most of the engine back together again. So we're now just putting on the engine covers and it's not really late at night. We winning?
Love to. Well, I don't mind making the video as long as the engine starts. But if we've ruined it, we're just like, take it down.
Yeah. So what do you think caused it to be like that bad?
Um,
I think it was that the thermostat didn't work.
no.
And the engine was cold, like.
No, because I remember like when I first originally blanked my car about 3 years ago, I was like, oh, gee, it's low. It was completely caked. Remember that?
Yeah.
So I reckon.
So we took it out and it was like blocked solid.
Yeah. I was just about to say, gee, we never put it
Oh
back
no,
in.
no, the manifold wasn't blocked solid. Just the ERG valve and everything around
I
it.
know, we didn't go checking any further than.
No, that's true.
Like, as in, that's as dirty as it always was, but the fact it was super caked.
Although we took it out today, this time it was fairly clean. Like, it wasn't bad.
Yeah.
It's just everything else underneath it was
I guess
bad.
it's wasn't bad because this is right, yeah?
Yeah, just show that in there. Is there meant to be clips or anything? Oh, yeah, you have them there.
I don't know why it was so bad. Like, that was unburning.
But that's... It's never been cleaned out.
It's never been cleaned out, but like, should I have done that when I first got the car?
Why using my electrical screwdriver to that? Is there no better screwdriver? Okay, that's better. Oh, it's popping off there. So, how long do you think we've been doing this for?
She must be coming at 7 o'clock, is it?
My arse it is.
Let's get this out. I just want to show that bolt.
What, the rusty one?
No, the fact it was a Phillips head and we cut it into a Phillips.
That's Stephen Engineering right there. Missed it the first time, got it the second time. Got it here. Okay, we're nearly finished, ready to start the engine. Wait, do we have any more parts left over?
All these big screws here.
There's like a load of stuff like left over there.
She's making this so tight.
Just pop it up there. You're meant to go in alright. Okay. Okay, we'll start. Yeah. Okay, give it a go. Yep, run sweet. So there we have it, guys. Car's back running again, new day, back friends again. And yeah, so that's a lot of gunk that all came out of the manifold and out of all the in front of the valves. So hopefully that fixes it. So we'll find out now when he does a full MPG over the next full tank. So my new car. Well, I don't think he's going to give it to me. Alright, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Support me on PayPal in the link below. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.